Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. I have not been posting for quite a few weeks. Thought I'll just come back, show my face and update you on all the things that has been happening. I lost my father some 6 weeks ago, so that's why there was utter silence in this channel. I thought I'll just update you on all the things that I'm planning in the near future. So this is something which is interesting. So I wanted to show you guys this. So this is not a regular printout. This is printed on a water-soluble stabilizer. I think this might be a sticky solvy paper. That's what they call in US. I'm not sure. So what you can do is you can cut out each of these individual embroidery designs, stick onto the fabric where you want to do your embroidery. Once you are done with the embroidery, you can just place the fabric in the water for like 5-10 minutes, and these white parts will come off and only your embroidery will remain there. So basically this is a water soluble stabilizer. Okay, so this is something which I got from Amazon. I paid around 600 rupees. It is highly overpriced because even in US, even in Amazon, a plain paper would cost you around 200 rupees only. So I paid around 400 rupees for the printout, but I am not going to return this because I thought, okay, let me use these let me use these designs and create something, because at this point I am severely lacking in motivation. So this is kind of a best project for me right now. So I want to show you the paper. This is the sticky solvy paper. This I believe is imported, and it's an A4 size. Basically it has a fabric side. Can you see this? So you can feed it through your regular home computer and the designs will be printed on it, whatever you want. So you can use this paper and stick your designs, whatever you design you want, on fabrics or surfaces like canvas, caps, wherever, even sweatshirts, wherever you can think that you can wash the fabric once the embroidery is done. You need to wash it because it dissolves and comes off like tissue paper kind of thing. Okay, I have some shots where I'm demonstrating this. Probably I'll put it in the description so that you can see what I'm meaning. Okay, so this is the sticky solvy paper. I'm assuming that this printout is also on the sticky solvy paper, but this paper I got it from Amazon. It's super expensive, so I will not recommend you to buy it from Amazon. It is better to buy sticky solvy paper individually through Amazon or other websites and take your printout on it. That is what I would recommend, because it will cost around 200 rupees for each paper. In India, a printout would cost you around 10 rupees or 20 rupees. So that should be enough. Okay, so I just want to talk about another project. I've been into cross stitch recently. So this is a project that I started last year, but I was not able to finish it. This is a Christmas theme related project. So I did few stitches and I left it. So I have here, you can see I've gridded it. So this is the design. I hope to work on this fast and finish it. Yeah, that's what. So these are the two projects that I want to talk to you guys about. Just like a short vlog. Let me know in the comments if you want something specific from me, or any comments about all this water soluble stabilizer and everything. I have tried once, so if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.